everyone, welcome to my channel. I have with me today the EcoFlow DELTA 3 Plus. And I gotta say that this power station has been a game changer when camping with my Airstream base camp. This power station stays inside my Airstream base camp at all times, and I couldn't be happier because I finally found something that's appropriate for my camping needs to replace. I took the EcoFlow DELTA on my long road trip that lasted 3 weeks, and that trip really changed my mind on what kind of battery pack I really needed. The EcoFlow DELTA 3 Plus is a 1 kilowatt-hour power station that can be expanded to 5 kilowatt-hour. However, is a different story. It only weighs at 27.5 pounds and is super easy to move in and out. I can very easily move this power station from my RV to the outside space where my friends would hang out, and I would let the whole party plug into this power station to charge their devices. So it really gives me an opportunity to not only use this for myself, but it allows me to share it with my friends also. The EcoFlow DELTA 3 Plus offers plenty of ports for me to plug in all my electronic devices. There are 6 AC output ports, and I really like how the bottom row of the AC ports have different orientation, so it doesn't interfere with other plugs. I also like how the DC output port is in the back. I don't use the DC output port that much, so it's nice to have it out the way. Now, I'll tell you what I really like about the design of the EcoFlow DELTA 3 Plus. I really like the sliding door in the back for the inputs. The door opens to the side and then slides in. This is actually really important because it prevents accidental damage, and that can happen a lot when you're camping and being rough with your equipment. The EcoFlow DELTA 3 Plus has an AC output of 1800 watts. It also has X-Boost technology, which basically protects the surge up to 3600 watts. When you hear those numbers, don't let it confuse you, because what the EcoFlow does is that it takes a higher power requirement and lowers it to 1800 watts to make the electronic device work. Let's talk about the EcoFlow app and how you can use it to monitor the status of your power station. I usually don't care about the app for a power station under 1 kilowatt hour, but I find it extremely helpful to use the app on this power station. The reason why I like the app so much when it comes to this power station is that I don't have to be physically next to my power station to keep an eye on it. A lot of times when I'm camping, I would set the solar panels and power station quite a distance away from me so that way I can have a clear view of the sun, and I'm not next to my power station. So I would like to keep an eye on it on the app to make sure that everything is charging as it should, make sure that the input is consistent, and if it's not consistent, then I need to be adjusting my solar panels to get the right angles, or maybe move it in a spot where the shade of the tree is not overcasting it.